Now I'm ready to map other parts of the building. And some of these walls are at a slight angle, so we need a little different technique here. If the preset won't work, which would give us the right mapping at the wrong angle, under Create UVs in the Planar Mapping dialog, you could map to different directions. And I'm going to project this from the Z-axis so it lines up with this wall I've got selected here. And there's my mapping aligned correctly to those faces, ready for me to put in that right size, 365.7 on both. And what it may be helpful to do in this is also choose a Y height for the projection center that's consistent for all the walls, maybe at 0, maybe at half the map size up, whatever you'd like. I'm going to leave mine where it is for the moment. Actually, sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm going to put this at 365.7. I'm going to use that number consistently. Actually, I'm even going to select it and copy it by pressing Control-C. And over here, I can even go back to my existing mapping, and I can paste that number right in, so all the brick is at the same level. So we can be very precise in how we map, and I think we should, because this is one of the places where the detail really shines if it's done well. So now all of my mapping on this building so far is at the same height. It all actually starts from down on the bottom here at the ground floor. And I want to go through and keep mapping this to get brick all the way along it. I'll press F11 to go by face. And continue. We may want a different material. This building, I think, is a white or something similar. It's not hard to put that on. That's an artistic choice we can make as well. To do that, I'm going to select these faces just all the way around the building here. And to put a new material on, I'll simply right-click and choose Assign New Material. And we'll make this one a Lambert for more of a rough plaster. We'll call this one White Plaster. And make the color just a slightly off-white. Oops. And I misspelled. It's not wood plaster, it's white plaster. Okay. It's important to name your materials. That way when you're looking through the Hypershade or at your materials, you can find them easily. Because we can often have a lot of materials in the scene, and looking through Blinn 1 through Blinn 50 is rather taxing. Okay. So with materials on my objects in this scene, I'm ready to do the windows and other pieces, and also the roofs.